Uptown Swing.
Level 1, 8 count, Maddie, Peter.
We did swing out to swing out. So we built it up. We did a circle and just reminded you of yourself. We did a swing out and went like that. Remember, leaders, the difference is the path on the circle goes like this. Path on the swing out goes more like that. Check it out. On a circle, I face my partner, I go across. Hey, hey, hey. We had the followers really wait a long time and face your leaders. Then path on the swing out goes forward a little bit. And then we send out. Followers, you also wait there. When we come back in, we get this feeling we're at maximum stretch here. I don't do a big pull, she doesn't do a big pull, she doesn't do a big rock step. We move the whole package this way with my step. And then we get another one going. Remember how Amin changed it? He caught his partner here and then turned him around. Got to fight a little bit for that open to open swing out. Leaders, your solo practice was this. Rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. You can always go back to this if you lose it. Remember, you want the smiley faces. Smiley face, not the jumpy. That gets all funky, yeah? And then you did.
Followers, we talked about always wanting to face our partner. We're going in one direction, but our orientation changes to face our partner. We tried doing just that first part of a swing out going into another swing out, rock, step, triple step, where because I'm facing my partner, my feet cross just a little bit.
And when we're here, you won't even get the rock step. We're max build up, but you will do that triple step. You go step, step, and this is you practicing that practice. And then we swing out. Hey, we did this, and we did half swing out, and then glide to the side. So pop, boom, we did glide to the side, and then, and then that's all we did.